Hello once again. So this is a bit of an update video on my UpHere 92mm CPU cooler fan. Right, I've ordered 3 of these in the time, about a couple of months ago, for varied computers, for varied AMD processors. But I was a little bit concerned with the fan, so I found a solution. So what I've done, I've bought a 5-pack of 92mm fan grills. Very cheap, come from China of course, and what I've done, I've installed them. There we go. As you can see, it's on the front. It can be a little bit fiddly installing them because it ain't screw-on, of course, because the fan's held on with these thin metal brackets. So basically what you've got to do is take them out and fiddle them and put them through the hole on the front of these guards and make sure it connects to the fan itself. As I said, it's a little bit fiddly, but once it's on, it's okay. You know, you can put your finger there when it's spinning round and you ain't going to get your fat hands in there. So it's just a cheap solution to a little bit of a problem, especially if you're like me and you don't really have much of a cable management that people always tend to moan about. But as I'm one that always messes about with PCs and take them apart, I don't see the point of tidying up my cables every time I'm doing something else to it. So there you go. So if you own one of these, or any 92mm fans actually, just go to China, just get some guards and just put them on the front. Works like a charm. And I've done it with the other 2 as well, but they're blue and you can't really see them because it'll look exactly the same as that, so no point really showing them. But the other 2 are blue. That's the only difference. But yeah, a little bit fiddly, but there is a way. You can do it. So I would recommend it. Anyway, I'm going to end it now. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, and goodbye.